Guys, remember the little kids need stuff too.
Hey, but they did our initial.
Okay, well, it doesn't look like everything has your initial on it.
I can find it
Here,
there.
Ethan.
Our initial.
Good.
It says G.
Oh, Emily, what does this say?
No what?
Is that an E for Emily?
No.
I think that's an E for Emily.
Hey, would you find these? You hear this guy go there? Smart.
Whoa.
The ones that are down low, make sure you leave enough for a little squirt to find.
Oh, you put in there, sure. Put one per cup.
No, Goobies, not with the foil on. No. Dude.
Oh, Ethan.
Okay, I'll just leave my stuffy out.
Here. We have a chocolate. You can take your
Look,
best.
Emily, but you can take these ones
Hey,
too.
look at, yay!
Come here, Ethan.
There's two pieces.
Come here, Ethan.
Look.
I put them in my I'm thinking they are four. Thanks, Mom.
Do you want to put this one? Put it in the basket.
I found a purple one, Mom!
Oh,
Let's see, that one. That one has a G on it for Goobies. It's Ethan's.
Yeah. There you go.
Hey, what are you doing up there, Noah?
I got yellow at him. There's super miracle bubbles up there.
Super miracle.